Hey everybody, it's still Wednesday and it's after my doctor appointment and after lunch. And guess what? Guess what? For about 3 years, I've been taking this heart pill. It's called metoprolol, I think is the name for it. And when I first went to this doctor, they put one of those little machines on me. You guys might remember, I showed it to you. I had it stuck to my chest. And it showed that I was having episodes of my heart beating like crazy. So evidently that's bad. It's called supraventricular tachycardia. And so they put me on this heart pill. So I think this was my 3rd year to go back to him. And my blood pressure was so low and my heart was beating so good, and I told him I hadn't had any more occurrences of feeling my heart beat out of my chest since I quit my job and retired. And so he was super excited. And so I said, can I quit taking that pill? I said, I don't like to take prescriptions if I don't need them. And he said, I totally agree with you. So he said, let's take you off of it. He said, take one every other day for a week, then you can stop it. So praise the Lord for that. And I started reading some of your comments on my morning video. And I'm so excited. I'm going to have Jerry read them tonight about the stem cell process and how good it's worked for everybody, and then we're going to make him an appointment. I was so excited. But then my doorbell rang. I got home. I was eating some watermelon because I don't know if watermelon's allowed or not allowed, but I had one. So I decided to eat some of it. So I hope that doesn't undo all the things I've done for the last few days. But while I was eating my watermelon, the doorbell rang, and so I went running to it, and I saw the mailman running back to his truck as fast as he could. And he left this on my front porch. So you all know what this is, right? It's the only thing I ever get. Okay, let's open it and see what I ordered this time. I can't remember. I'm telling you what. Somebody kidnapped me, and they called and they said, we've kidnapped your wife, your mother, your sister, and we will let her go if you can tell us, if she can tell us what she ordered last and who she ordered it from. I just have to stay kidnapped because I couldn't tell you. I'm sure you guys are going, where did she come up with this stuff? I don't know. I may be giving this away, guys. It's like sweater material. Royal red, black, gold, 100% polyester, boucle sweater knit. It's kind of pretty, but it's kind of not pretty. It's not red and it's not orange. It's kind of burgundy. And it's got these sparkles in it. Are the sparkles on both sides? Yes. So my guess is it's going to itch me like crazy. I probably was going to make a sweater out of it. You remember? Oh, it doesn't look too bad. Oh, it is itchy though. You remember the jacket I made that I said looked like a house coat? And I cut the sleeves off of it and I'm wearing it as a house coat. I thought if I bought this and I made it out of this, that it wouldn't look like a house coat. Of course, I probably paid nothing for it. $3.90 a yard. Gentle wash. Well, it's probably not going to be too gentle, but I'm going to wash it. Maybe I can wash the itch out of it. What is this? I don't buy tiny little prints. Usually. Evidently I did. I must not have looked at this one on the table. You know how they drape? One reason I buy from Fabric Mart and only Fabric Mart. They drape every piece of fabric over a table. So you can see how it would drape on your body. Plus you can tell if it's a teeny tiny print or it's a giant print. Somebody else does that too. It's, what's her name? Is it Anne? Anne at Gorgeous Fabrics. Can't remember her last name. But she actually drapes it on a dress form. But her fabric is way too expensive for me to be playing with and experimenting with. I've ordered a lot in the past, but right now I'm into the under $5 a yard fabric. What did I buy this for? I might have bought this for leggings, you guys. Let's see what the heck it is. It's feeling pretty stretchy and it's a pretty mild print for me. I'm getting ready to make those leggings, the Star Trek leggings. The lady said, that looks like Star Trek. All right, here we go. Yeah, that's what this is. It's activewear. So this is going to be some leggings for me. Galaxy blue / ice blue nylon / lycra. $4.80 a yard. So let's check the stretch. Ta-da! Forever. That way, and oh my gosh. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. That'll be really cute. I think I could actually wear those in public, you guys. I didn't order a whole bunch. Only 3 pieces. Goodness. That must have been a stressful day or something. My goodness. Sit on that, Dot, and hold it down. All right, here's another one. This is navy blue. Let's see what this is. It says, it is dark cerulean. Who knows what color cerulean is? Raise your hand. What is it? Navy blue? Oh, look at that. I ordered thread to match it. How cute is that? Did you notice you can always order thread to match when you order from Fabric Mart Fabrics? So there's so many blues, I knew I probably wouldn't have it. This is beautiful. Dark cerulean nylons / lycra active. So I'm assuming this is for leggings too, and what a gorgeous color. Let's check the stretch. Ta-da! Let's stretch it the other way. Remember, it's got to stretch 60% both ways. Now, ooh, no problem. Leggings, you guys. So I have got, oh my gosh, and look at those two kind of go together. Well, look at that. I must have had a plan. Look at that. It kind of goes together. So I probably bought this for the bottom and this for the top. So what I could do, my lightning fast mind, I could make 2 bottoms and 2 tops, and then I could like switch them. And like this could be the top, and that could be the bottom, and this could be the top, and that could be the bottom. Oh, that's fun. I'm going to wash those right away. Okay, guys. That's all I have for now, and I'll be back after a while and wrap this video up. Stay with me. This is an insert. I want to show you how easy it is to finish the neckline on this cowl neck top. It is so awesome. I kind of fiddled with it a little while to figure out how to do it because I've done it way in my past, and I knew that the front folded over the back somehow. So I'm going to show you real quick how I do it, okay? Now remember, I have to hold the camera myself, so hold on. This is the back. Here's the shoulder, here's the shoulder. This is the wrong side of the back. This is the neck. I have taken 1/4 inch Steam-A-Seam 2 light. Steam-A-Seam 2 light. Kind of a goofy name, but anyway, I wonder whatever happened to Steam-A-Seam 1. And so I have applied it around this curve right here. See, you can kind of see the sticky stuff. And in order to get it to curve, you just do little clips into it. A little clip, little clip, little clip, little clip, and then it will curve for you. If I could show you the piece I pulled off, you'd see it, but who knows where that is now, okay? So what you do is you start with the back neck. And you fold it in however much your seam allowance is. This is Surefit Designs, so it's 5/8 inch. So I'm going to fold this in 5/8 inch and press it. So it will be finished, okay? That's the very first thing I'm going to do. I'll be back when I do the very second thing. All right, let me give you guys a tip. On my pattern, I am going to reduce this seam allowance to 3/8 inch here at the neck, because every fabric is different. Every fabric has different DNA. And this one just did not want to turn and lay flat on 5/8 inch. And as long as you haven't ironed the Steam-A-Seam tape, you can lift it up, put it down, lift it up, put it down, lift it up, put it down. So I finally cut little notches in it. This is a knit, so it's not going to ravel, but it just gave me fits. So I saw Becky do this, and I decided if Becky can do it, I can do it. So Now, guys, I'm trying to hold this camera and iron too. Now we're just going to steam it. This is called steam a seam. So that means you have to steam it to make it stay, okay? So now, the back neck is done. Okay, this is complicated when you look at it, but it's really super simple. Okay, so this is the back of the pattern. Okay, it's just a regular back. Here's the armhole. See the armhole? There's the 2 notches. Here's the shoulder. So the back shoulder is straight. I have just hemmed this neckline on the fabric. I've just hemmed that. You saw me do that. This is the front. The front is very, very odd looking. This is why you have to do it out of a knit. See the armhole? There's the armhole, there's the notch. That's the armhole. Up here, this really round, funky looking piece is the front shoulder. This is the facing, the cut-on facing for the front shoulder that's going to fold in like this. And then this piece is going to hang down inside your blouse, up above your boobs. Okay? And it lines the top. Remember, it's all real drapey, and all of this is going to hang down and be drapey. So this curved front shoulder is going to join to this straight back shoulder. And that's the next step. So what you're going to do is you're going to put right sides together, and you're using knit. So when you're using the knit, sorry, I just bumped into the camera. When you're using knits, you can put this straight piece up to the curved piece, and you can just turn it and pin it and turn it and pin it and turn it and pin it. Then you're going to take this piece, this facing piece, and fold it over. Fold it over, match it up. This will all be the same curve by then. You're going to match this up, and you're going to sew this all together. You're going to sew your shoulders together with this piece, and this piece, okay? Then after you get them sewn together, you're going to turn it all around, inside out, and backwards, and that little flappy piece is going to go inside, and then your arms, your shoulders are going to be sewn together. And the back is going to be finished, and the front is going to be finished, and you don't have to do anything else to the neckline. Okay? Hope that makes sense. I know it looks crazy, but it's really easy. All right, that's it for that. Okay, I have sewn both shoulders. This is like sewing on water, you guys. You have to be very, very patient. You have to use a lot of pins. See, here is that little flap that we folded back. See, on that side. And over here is the other side of the front. And in between the two is the back shoulder. Okay? So we have a front and a back sewn together. I am going to turn it now and show you what it looks like, and pray that I did it right. I may not have, you never know. Oh my gosh, I think I did. Yes, I did. Okay, so see, that's the front, and there's the flap. See the flap? Folding inside. That's the back neck right here on top, and it's finished. This is the back of the dress. Here's one arm, here's one arm. Okay? It's not sewn on the sides, only the neck is done, and you can see the drape. See the drape? This is my maxi dress, you guys. So we're going to flip it over, and we're going to see if it looks right the way you would wear it. Aha! And it does. Praise the Lord, it does. Look at that. I wonder if I'll have it done in time to go to dinner with Margaret tonight. I called Margaret and said, let's go out to eat. I'm tired of being in this house. Oh. What do you think? What do you think? You guys got to make one. It's so easy. That is the hardest part of the cowl neck, is understanding how you wrap it around the back. All I got to do is sew up the side seams, and the hem and put in the 2 little cap sleeves. And this baby is done. I love it. I might put it on like it is and just show you the cowl. Hold on. Okay. It doesn't cowl really good until you get the sides connected. How fun! I'm making me a maxi dress. Yay! I have to go.